Okay, so what's up, YouTube? Happy Sunday. Hopefully everybody is having a really great Sunday. I'm filming this on a Sunday. If you went to church, hopefully it was great. I really shouldn't put up my hands so much for the mere fact of I just got out of work and then I consistently wash my hands, and so my hands are ashy. So I'm going to try to the best of my ability to not show my ashy hands, but there's nothing wrong with dry skin. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Yeah, just finished work and I was thinking about going straight home, taking a nap and then knocking out a bunch of things, you know, because Sunday is like my reset day. But before I do that, the Jordan 1 Rare Air is released, and in my head and in my mind, it was not a sneaker that I genuinely was anticipating. I feel like it had a lot going on. I feel like with that sneaker in particular, it has a lot going on. It has like the gray suede at the top and then the leather. And then, you know, I feel like it has this aged type look or sail, whatever you want to call it, on the bottom. And I feel like, you know, sometimes, you know, I guess that could be cool. It depends on how you wear it. So I kind of want to just go and take a look at the sneakers and see firsthand whether or not I like them. I try not to pretty much like get too many sneakers of the same color. And when I think about that sneaker in particular, even though I like the Jordan ones, it's like the midnight navy high top. I feel like it's a little bit similar in nature because it does have like the sail. It does have, you know, I think it's a different type of blue. Hopefully it is a different type of blue. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I am going to head to the avenue and see if I can get my hands on them. If I don't, you know, or if I really like them in person. I think that's essentially what it is. But I'm 100% certain that it did not sell out. I feel like when it comes to the ones, they don't really, you know, I feel like it's underrated, so I feel like those don't sell out. But nevertheless, we're going to take a chance and go there. So the next destination is going to be there. We're going to play it safe. Yeah, fit of the day, to be honest, the fit was not fitting. It's a sunny, it's a Sunday, but it's also kind of like gloomy, very cloudy. And so for me, I generally didn't feel like getting dressed. So anyway, we just threw on a hoodie with some black jeans and kind of like black and gray Jordan MVPs. So that's a fit for today. It really even wasn't worth, you know, filming. And then in addition to that, if I actually get the shoes, if I look at the shoes and I get them and I like them, I don't think I'm going to do shopping afterwards. Only because I'm pressed for time, you know, and I have a lot to do on a Sunday considering we're going into the week. So I don't think that I'm going to be shopping, and I don't think that I'm going to find something in my closet that is going to go with that, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. So we'll see. The next destination is going to be the Ave, either at Snipes or JD Sports. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully I won't have to go from sneaker store to sneaker store to sneaker store just to get it. I think my first option is going to be to go to Snipes, and then my second option would be to go to JD Sports. And I didn't call prior. Normally I do, but I have a funny feeling that I'm going to get lucky and it's not going to sell out. That's how I feel. And that's what it is. So with that being said, let's see if I actually get my hands on these and I like it and I feel like, oh, you know, this shoe is worth the money and it's also worth styling. So we'll see. So yeah, I got it. So easy. Usually when it comes to new releases, you could go to Snipes and you could definitely get it. I'm not really into the boxes, but I really like this box. I like the graphics on it, the colors. So here's the box. Ooh, the paper too. Hands down, this is definitely like one of my favorite boxes, as well as papers. So let's do a review. I don't know, I like the graphics on it. They put a lot of attention and detail, but easy pickup. I feel like it's a unique shoe. I think that it actually has like a lot going on. It does have a lot going on, and I think the special feature they said if you scratch this off, it's going to turn red. And I believe it because I actually saw some details with it. But red is one of my favorite colors, so we got a little red swoosh there. This is actually a size 7. I do like, I believe this is maybe suede. I think it's suede at the top. Of course, we got the Nike Air right there. We got the black bottoms. As you can see, I feel like it's going to be a little bit difficult to actually match this up, to be honest. But I actually think it's a pretty cool shoe, very unique. And it depends on what you actually put on. I feel like you can make any sneaker work. I feel like it would have been a little bit cleaner. It would have had a more cleaner look if it actually had white. But, I mean, they're persistent on this sale. But nevertheless, I like it. And I think they said it's supposed to come with 2 different laces. Right now, currently, it's that blue. And I'm looking for the other laces. Yeah. So it actually comes with 2 laces, which is pretty cool. But it also has, like, the sail. I think, if anything, I will go with these laces to give the shoe, to take away all of that blue. Or, I don't know, to kind of like get it to like contrast. So I definitely think I'm going to go with these laces. Take these laces out, and I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Maybe put it in another sneaker or what have you. But anyway, I like it primarily because it has a little bit of red on it. And red is my favorite color. I think it's a clean shoe. I think if I get something to match it up with, it's actually going to go hard. So I may have something at home, to be honest, that I could actually match this up with. Because I remember with the Lucky Shorts 3s, I remember getting them and feeling like, it's going to be a really difficult shoe to match up. But I kind of found something in my closet and was able to put it together last week. And I put it together on shorts. And I guess a lot of people like it because it did crazy on the views. So you could actually check that out. Nevertheless, yeah, we vlogging in the car. But yeah, I like it. I like it. It wasn't an anticipated shoe, but then once I seen it on foot, and in hand and in person, it's like, oh, okay. So I'm excited to be able to match this up. I may go home and actually find something that I could actually wear with it, but I don't think so because I feel like maybe if I throw on some like blue jeans and maybe something with white and gray or a little hint of red. Either or, it's actually a beautiful shoe. I like it. I like it. And it's not low tops, it's high tops. So, of course, I like high tops more than I like low tops. And so I feel like this is going to be really fun to actually match up. So we'll see what I come up with. Stay posted. If you like the video, subscribe. If you don't like the video, subscribe, like it. If you don't like the video, just like it. But nevertheless, I like it. Pretty cool. And it was very easy to get. After taking so many L's and sneaker stores selling out with certain sneakers in like 2 hours, I might even save the paper. I like the paper so much and the graphics on it. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. I'm actually about to just head home. And hopefully your Sunday is going good. Hopefully you go into the week with productivity. And yeah, nice shoe.